Okay, so welcome back. The next banner we will be designing is our Facebook banner. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, some people call it a Facebook cover, some people call it a Facebook banner, some people call it a Facebook, I don't know, anything really. It's got many different names, but let's just get into designing it. So at the top here it says create a design. Let's go over to the right and click more. Okay, and then let's scroll down until we see social media and email headers. So on here you'll see there is one which is called Facebook cover, just here. Click that and let the new page load. Okay, once it's loaded, this is the page where you'll be designing your header. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, of course, you want to scroll through all of the different layouts and pick the one which is most suitable for your brand or business. So yeah, let's just go through them, pick one which is perfect for Black Brick Training and begin designing, I suppose. So yeah, let's just see what we can find first of all. Alright then, so there's many different designs here, many different themes, many different styles, and we're just going to pick one which is perfect for us. Now, some are paid, some are free. It's of course, if you do want to pay for them, you will receive a license to use it wherever you need to. So that is great, and yes, so that is fantastic. So let's just keep scrolling through them to see what we can find. Possibly this one, I'll open it just in case, but we may find something better in a second. So let's just keep scrolling at the moment until we may find something better. But if not, this one's a nice one. So let's keep this here just for now. Okay, so yeah, I think this will be what we use, it looks like. We've chosen that we are going to be using this one. Fantastic. So, first of all, we just want to change the main text to Black Brick. And of course, we need to make the font a bit smaller so the text actually fits in. A bit smaller than that as well, 48 possibly. Yep, perfect. And then we need the web address, so let's just copy that from the website and let me just get that right now. Fantastic. So it is www. And then I'll paste the rest in just here, like so. And then let's make that a tiny bit smaller so it all fits in. Fantastic. That is perfect. Okay, so now that is all there. We have Black Brick and we have www.blackbricktraining.co.uk. I'm just bringing them a bit closer together because I think it looks better like that. It looks nicer, I'd say. First of all, I'm just going to change this image because it means nothing to us. So we're just going to type in, let's just type in MacBook once again, because MacBooks are always just nice, stylish little pictures of MacBooks. They're always just nice images, I'd say. So yeah, let's pick one of these. That will be good for us. Let's pick this one first. And then what we're going to do is want to go to flip and flip horizontally. Okay, so that then puts it there. If you double click it, you can then choose which part is actually shown. So let's go all the way to the top and tick that. And then if you go to filter just here, you can then see that we have a filter on. So let's go to normal, remove that filter. And then over here on this color, we're going to go to here where it says transparency. Let's click this button here and just scroll down a little, so that the back of the actual image, the background image, is still slightly visible, and this color is also still slightly visible. So yeah, that looks nice. You can see the slight change from the image, and then it goes slightly bluer for this side over here, which is where we'll have the more information side of things. Okay, so we have the image over here and then the information over here. So that's awesome. Okay, so you can of course add photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines, illustrations, icons, charts, iHeartCanva, absolutely anything. Nature, people, food. There's so many different things. All of these ones down here with the little crown next to them, they do require either the free trial of the Pro version or the Pro version itself, which is $12.95 per month. So that is something to take note of. But of course, you don't have to use that. You can just use these free ones up here. So let's go to icons and have a look what they have here. Okay, so we have light bulb. We have many different things actually. We can probably find something which we can put above the text over here to make it suit a bit better. So let's just see what we can find. I reckon possibly even that light bulb. I just think it looks quite nice. Let's just pop that in up here above the rest of this text and change the color of it to white. And there we go. So that looks quite cool. I like that a lot. That's very nice. So yeah, now let's leave that as that. And yeah, so that's very simple design. It's very nice, but it's just very nice indeed. I like it a lot. Now what we could do is start adding usernames for social media profiles. So this is for Facebook, so we could add Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, anything we want. So let's add Twitter first of all, and let's just add this one just here, make it a bit smaller, and then where should we put it? Should we put it on this side with the image, or on this side with this text? It's difficult to choose really. I think I'm going to put it with the image actually. Yeah, I think I will. Let's add Twitter first of all, and just duplicate this down here. So it's the same font and then it fits in a bit better. And for Twitter, we are at Black Brick Learn. Black Brick Learn. Fantastic. So now let's just make that text a bit smaller. Let's say 12 and make this box smaller as well. Awesome. So now let's pop that in just there. And let's also add Instagram like so. Hit enter. And here we go. So now we have Instagram. Let's make that just the same size. There we go. Fantastic. And let's put this just here. And our Instagram is at Blackbrick Training. Okay, so let's duplicate that Blackbrick Learn, move it across like so. Make the box a bit bigger and then change from Learn to, of course, Training. So let's select this text just here. There we go. And then put Training. Training. There we go. So we've got at Blackbrick Learn for Twitter and at Blackbrick Training for Instagram. Now we can also add Snapchat, of course, like so. And that is also at Blackbrick Learn. So let's just move this down here. Make it the correct size. There we go. Not quite wanting to be the right size. There we go. Perfect. And that is also at Blackbrick Learn. So let's duplicate this one and move this across here. Like so. Fantastic. And I think what we should do is just add more until we get to the very end of the entire design. Okay, so all the way to the edge here. So I reckon we can fit possibly one, possibly two more in. So let's now add YouTube. Okay, so let's go YouTube. Click on this one just here. Line it up and then make it a lot smaller so that it fits in with the others. There we go. That's it. It's going to be a little bit too high. So let's just move these texts up a little bit. Fantastic. Let's move this to the left. There we go. Okay, and that is going to be youtube.com/. So it's going to be a / one. Okay, so it's not at, it's instead / and then it's going to be just Blackbrick. Okay, so / Blackbrick and remove training. And do you think we'll fit in one more? That is the question. We have 4 fitting in very nicely just here, but it'll be a shame to see one have to not fit in. Let's just grab Blackbrick Training and Instagram and move this up and swap it places with at Blackbrick Learn for Snapchat, because that's the same as Twitter, and I feel like that just works if you have it like that. There we go. So let's just move these down here like this. Fantastic. And now everything fits in nicely. Okay, so there we go. The spacing is a little bit different for all of them, which is very tricky to keep the same. So I'd recommend just playing around with all the text boxes for a minute just to make sure they're all aligned with each other nicely and the spacing is all exactly the same, as that will make the design look 10 times better. Okay, it will take you a little extra time making sure everything fits in perfectly, of course, but it's quite important anyway. So there we go. I think that's pretty much perfect. Let's just change this one here to the center. So then we also want to move this to the left a little. Okay, so there we go. We have at Blackbrick Learn for Twitter, at Blackbrick Learn for Snapchat, at Blackbrick Training for Instagram, and /Blackbrick for YouTube. So there we go. We have these along the bottom, and yeah, we have a little bit of space for one more, but I can't actually think of another social media right now. So we're going to leave this, as it looks very nice anyway, and I am very happy with it. I am going to try one last thing before I end the lecture, and that is making it so these two are on this side, and these two are the other side of the blue. Okay, so let's just see if we can make this work. So if we have 2 on here and 2 on there, let's see. So I'll center that, and I'll move that to there. Okay, yeah, I think that works. We have these 2 here, these 2 there, and then there's no just random space other than this here, but I think that looks fine. So yeah, there we go. That is it. This is our new Facebook header, Facebook banner, whatever you want to call it. Let's just rename this now, Facebook banner. And that is this lecture done. So hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned a lot, and hopefully you had a great time. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.